Good day, Divergence traders. Today is Friday, the big non-farm payroll day. Yeah. And it messed, and it hunted, and it got lots of stops. One big stop hunt, huh? See? To the sell side stop hunt, then back up, then back down, then higher highs back up, and it's still going up. Crazy. Will it go? See this? Remember the big dive yesterday? Will it go back to the top again today? You just never know. You can tell by looking at that it's just, yeah, something rotten going on here, and it stinks. You know what I'm saying? It's like, come on, you take it down all this way yesterday, and now you're gonna take it back up again. What was the reason for taking it way down yesterday? And what's the reason today to take it back up? We know the reason. Okay, let's show you this divergence here. And the fake out, of course, and the fake out. So we had a double top here, okay? Or a higher high, whichever you want to call it. Okay, and down here, okay, this one's going up, this one's going down. So on the OSMA, this was the one. Now remember, it was this one right here, so you have to get in the trade after the fact, after we draw the divergence, right? So you see this white here, let me make it even bigger. You see this white that crossed down here? The white 5 below the 7? Well, that was your entry right here. And your stop was at the top right here. So what did they do? They came back and they got your stop. Now, they did it again. Okay, here's the second attempt at this. Let's see. Now this one, it never gave you the 1-to-1 win-loss ratio for your target. Now it's set up again. Okay, there's the top, there's the high. Okay, we have to attach it to this one now. Okay, so now this time when we cross down right here, you would have sold it right here. Okay, let me put the arrow on it this time. So right on the close right here of this candle, you would have sold it. Now your stop always goes to the swing high, right? So it was a 46-point stop. Did we get 46? No, we got 40. See, it missed the target by 6 points. So there you go. So you had one that was a loser because it came. They tricked people into selling it with the divergence, and it came back down, and it came back up and got your stop. That was here. And then they did this one. If you're willing to try it, I wouldn't do either one of these trades because it's non-farm payroll. I'm not the kind of trader telling you, oh, just avoid trading the day before non-farm and the day after, or anything far-fetched like that. No, but there's trades, but just don't trade. Like this big event, non-farm payroll. Just don't trade for before it or after it for like 20 minutes or so. That's all. Or maybe an hour, and just wait till later on the day if you want to trade on non-farm payroll. Anyway, so after it went down and missed our take profit by 4 lousy stinking points, well, they went and they took it up again because they had all these sellers in here locked in. So this is why they took it up. So they can come and get your stops because they know your stops are right here. Okay? That's why they came after them. Then it just kept going up. This is the 5 minute. So the only trades you really could have done is, a higher close, buy it, up it goes. There's this one right here. This one didn't count because it's too far away from the 5. Okay. Then we have a hookup right here. A hookup, not a hook. Not a hook down. A hookup. A hookup is when it's going in a trend, and on the way it does these little pullbacks. And when you get a pullback where the candle closes below, right here, this one, the 2 moving averages, you wait for the next one to close above the 2 moving averages, and you buy it right there, and up it goes. 70 points, as you can see. That's a hookup. This is a lower close, buy it, up it goes. See, you don't have to trade none of this. You just got to wait for the right ideal setup, and that is my lower close or higher close setups, or my hookups or hook down setups. That's it. There, we're finished with it. See how simple that was? You just needed to wait. And not even trade this at all because it's too close to the actual news event, which was at 8:30, 15:30, right? Which is 8:30 this morning, which is now long gone. Okay, let's now look at the S&P. Oh yeah, it looks very, very similar. Here's the divergence. That didn't work out today, okay? Didn't work out. So if you sold it right in here, okay, your stop was 12, 13 points. Didn't go down 12 points. Only went down 6 points. But you can see right here, okay, so that was a failure to do that divergence today on the based off of the non-farm payroll news. Okay, but we did have a hookup right here. Okay, if you would have bought it there, it went up like 10 points. Here's the second hookup right here. See it? See the sell fake, the sell fake, the sell fake. And along with those sell fakes, we had the very next candle rally right back up again. So as soon as this happened and you got back up in here, you would have bought it and up it goes. 20 points. See that? Ladies and gentlemen, beautiful thing. Beautiful. Okay. Then we had the Dow Jones, which wasn't divergent. Let me make it bigger. So you'd think this is a low, a retracement, and a lower low, but it's no good because this is deeper than this one. This one needs to be less than this side, and it's not. So there's no trade to buy in here. There's no divergence to sell in here, and no trade to buy in here. Well, you could draw it in there if you wanted to, I guess. Well, let's do that. It's like right here. Like a double, triple bottom, whatever. There is a trade, but it's kind of ugly. You would have got in here long. And it went against you a couple times, but it went up 180 points. Do we have? No. See in here, we don't have any sell fakes where the candles first close below the 7. See the 5 and the 7? No, no, no. Not even here. But instead, we have a lower close, buy it, up it goes. And one more. There's actually a couple, but here's the best one. Lower close, open, you know, next candle opens, buy it, up it goes. And that's all we have for the Dow for today. All right, pound dollar. Those are from yesterday. They seem to like to stick there. Okay. There's no divergence up here to sell for non-farm payroll, but it came down and put in a low, a retracement, and a lower low. But before it did that, okay, I want to show you something else. Higher close, right here, sell it, down it goes. Okay. Higher close, sell it on the, wrong one. Okay, sorry about that. Higher close, sell it right here, down it goes. See those two beautiful trades? It's kind of scary to do them because there was such a big move down, whether it was down or up or fucking whatever it was. It's scary because it came all the way down here and you're gonna sell it, you know what I mean? And it started coming back up. It's I know it's scary, but if you look at them, they work. Okay, it went down 16 pips on the pound. Second one went down 20 pips. And then, after you did those two scalp trades, what was your next trade? Well, it was right here. Low, retracement, lower low. Oh, no, not from there. Ah, sorry, not from the bottom of that. It's from here. There it is. Right here, up here, you would have got in. See, not here, because the 5 didn't cross up above the 7. But we got in right in here. Oh, I got the hiccups now. I don't know what the hell I got the hiccups from freaking Cheerios? How the hell I get the hiccups? I don't know. Okay. Maybe it was the G0 Gatorade. I was drinking that today. That's what I probably got it from. I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so there's divergence there. You would have got long, and it went up 30 pips on the pound. It was a good trade. And we had one lower close, buy it, up it goes right here. Right there. Didn't go too far. Okay, that's the pound. What about the euro? Again, up here. See how identical it moved to the pound, the euro? Yeah. Here's the same trades, too. Look at the trades. The exact same two scalp trades right here. Boom and boom. Look at that, eh? Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Anyway. Excuse me, tired, still tired. I had a good night's sleep last night. I got, I think, 6-7 hours. And I woke up today at 7, so it's a good thing. I'm back on day shift track. Back on track here. This is why I'm doing this right now, the video at my regular usual time. Yeah, which is good. Because you guys surely don't want to hear it, see my video tonight at supper time, and I understand. Here's another higher close, sell it, down it goes. And how many pips was this good for? 17 pips, and the first one, it was good for around 12 pips. That is the euro dollar. Okay, and let's move on now to the pound yen. What did it do today? Wow, wowzers. I don't know, it's just rolling hills. Let's try the 5-minute. Same thing. No fucking divergence up here just before non-farm payroll. And then it just did a bunch of slop chop. That's what it did. I don't even want to mark anything on it. Slop chop. Unless you shrunk the chart and tied this to this one. Double top. Could have got in here and down it went. Okay. Right at 8:30, could have jumped in and down it went. It would have been a good trade. 45 to 50 points. See? Yeah, it went down about 50. So there you go. There's the trade on the pound yen. And the euro yen, I bet will look very, very close. Very the same. Yeah. Oh, it's a 15 too. Yeah. See, same trade. See that? I can draw it from here to here, double top, get in. There it is. There's the news baton bar right there. Big long wicks on the top and bottom of it. That's where the news happened. Anyway, so predictable. So predictable how you can tell that they're both going to do the same freaking thing, just a little different. Okay, let's look at oil now, because the euro yen didn't really show us anything. Well, hold on. I better put some stuff on here, right? Oh, look, we did have divergence. They just have to look a little fucking harder. Hey, Jason, don't give up on it yet. Don't give up on the shit yet. Okay. Pointing down, meaning the price is going to go down. Now on this one, it's like this. See that? This one's pointing up, meaning the price is going to go up. Ups-a-daisy. Ups-a-daisy. So your entry would have been right there. And entry somewhere in here to go down. There's another one over here. Double top right here. You can see it. I'll draw it in. Double top. Just like that. Geez, I was leaving lots behind if I would have skipped to the next one, huh? Look at those setups, man. They're all good. 2 sells and a buy. You see that shit? That's why you can find the formation at the top or at the bottom and you just look. You just plug in the rest of the criteria, and the way you go. Wait for it to happen, then get in the trade. That's it. And this shows you right here, right now. Pause it, take a picture of it, whatever. But just remember, you got to have the patience, and I know most people don't have the patience. The one guy was writing that about that yesterday in the comments of my channel, and we all suffer that, my friend. We all suffer from the patience part because it's a time thing. And what's really weird is you get in the trade and 10-15 minutes seems like 2 hours, but you've only been in the trade for like maybe 10 or 15 minutes, but it seems like 2 hours you've been in it, or to wait for the setup to set up. It could be, since you started looking for it and waiting for it to set up, it could be like 15-20 minutes, but it seems like freaking 3 hours went by. That's what's crazy about trading is waiting for it to set up, getting in the trade, and then waiting for it to go far enough to give you the profit you desire. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about, ladies and gents. That's what it's all about. Anyway, let's carry on. We only have one more, I think, to go. No, here's oil. Well, what did oil do? Oh, I see the trade. Oh, I see the trades. Some nice trades today. I don't know how far they went, but there's higher highs. And here is lower lows. That's what it's all about, ladies and gentlemen. Higher highs and lower lows and double tops and double bottoms. That's it. That's all it's all about. You just need to wait for it and happen and get in and la-di-da. So let's put some arrows on that. So you would have sold right there. And you would have bought right there. Is there a trade here, ladies and gentlemen? You betcha. You betcha, boy. You betcha. I think. Yeah, there is. There is. It's hidden divergence. Right there. One going up, one coming down. Let's make this look a little better. There we go. See it? Hidden divergence. And up it went. Oh, I'm putting that in the wrong place right here. Right there. So we got long right there. Went up 66 points on oil. See the nice trades here? Sell, boom, goes down. Buy, boom, goes up. And then buy again, and boom, it goes up. But you know what the most beautiful part of this is? It's where you sold here and you put your stop right there at the swing high. Guess what? It didn't go after your stop. And right here, see? You buy long and you put your stop right there at the swing low. Did it come back to the swing low? No, it went up and gave you profit. And then again, we got this hidden divergence right here. You would have got in long right here. Did it come back to the swing low where I tell you to put the stop loss? No. No. It went up into nice, beautiful, pure profit, ladies and gentlemen. And along the way, if you missed the ideal entry point, I want to show you your second entry. We have a sell fake, and we have a lower closing candle below the two moving averages. And then what do we have? Then we wait for the next candle to shoot up and close above the two moving averages. We enter long right there, and up it goes. 45 points. See that? It's beautiful. And once you got long right here, it never came back to your stop. Your stop is always at the closest swing low or always at the closest swing high. See that, ladies and gents? Now that is priceless, if you ask me. That's fucking priceless. And you got it all for free on Jason Sweezy's Divergence Trading channel. Yes. Don't forget to try it and practice it yourselves on another day. Yeah, you could have practiced it today if you were here yesterday. And you learned how to do it. Okay. We have gold now. What happened with gold? Not good again. Not fucking good again. Jesus. Even the 15-minute. Oh, we had a trade on the 15-minute, and it was a doozer. A doozy. Right there. Yes, indeed. To right here. One's going up. One's going down. That's hidden divergence. And it's telling you the market is going to go up. And how much did it go up? In gold, 300 points on the 15-minute time frame. This is gold. You got to love it when it does its big move and there's divergence. that supports it. But you know me and what I think of gold. I don't like gold. It's not very divergent, but it happens to be today. And I always look at both of them, the 5 and the 15. See, on the 5, there's nothing here. There's no divergence here because this is lower than this side. See that? Sometimes you got to go up to the 15 or maybe even the 30 or the 1 hour. Nothing really on the 1 hour either. 4 hour. Oh yeah, there's a setup on the 4 hour. Just want to show it to you. Divergence is on every time frame. Doesn't mean it's on every time frame every day, but it's on. It can appear over and over again. Okay, there it is. One going up, one going down. Already have the arrow on there. See that? You would have bought it right there, and in 8 hours, 300 and something points. Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, but you see right here, where did I see that? I just saw it. Hidden divergence, ladies and gentlemen. Hidden divergence. And how far did this one go? I think it just went up. We would have got in right there. There's 1,200 points right there. To the end of today, 1,400 points, ladies and gentlemen. So you see how far you can whatever type of trading you want to do. If you don't have time to sit here and do whatever, do what they call swing trading. Longer term trading. It can work with divergence. Okay? Okay, so that's it for gold. What else do we have? We have Bitcoin. Oh, it's sprung back up a little bit. And XRP. Oh, it's sprung back up a little bit too. Yesterday, see, went way up here, and then he took it right back again. The bastards. Oh, I hate that. What's silver doing? Oh, let's see. How these? It's really weird. I don't know why it happens, but I put these indicators on here. Okay, they won't disappear. They just keep coming back. If you shut the platform down or shut your computer down and you open up this platform, they just come right back on here. This is some old stupid indicators that I don't use anymore. This thing, slope direction, yeah, whatever. See ya. And this FX snipers ergodic CCI and trigger, whatever, yeah, whatever. You know what I mean? And then here is trend manager. Yeah, whatever. And this is my beautiful, I think, moving averages that I like. There's the 7 and there's the 5. Shift 1. So anyway, just funny how they still stick here from years ago. Who knows when I put them on there. But anyway, yeah, that's it for today. On time today. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching and listening and la-dee-da. And if you could hit the like button and subscribe, that would be good. So anyway, if you trade this afternoon, be careful because you never know what it's going to do. It could go all the way back down again, right on the NASDAQ. See, it's starting to come back down now. See, senorita. See, when this closes in what time is it? In 2 minutes, this could be a sell trade all the way back down here. Who knows what it'll do? So anyway, Have a good trading afternoon. Have a good weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Good luck and good trading.